Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and here we have this evening some more coverage for the CMF Watch Pro. So in particular, these are compatible watch bands for the CMF Watch Pro, and these are two potentially compatible watch bands, one from LOK grade, which is a metallic nylon magnetic strap, and then the other is from AVOD. Okay, so let me make sure I show y'all this. So this is the first one from AVOD, right there. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly, but this is the first one from AVOD. And then let me show y'all the other one from LOK grade. Okay. And this is the other one from LOK grade. Right here. Again, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but potentially these two bands should be compatible with my CMF Watch Pro. And in particular, any 22mm bands with quick release locks should work for the CMF Watch Pro. But I got these in, and I want to test them and see if they work. So let me show y'all the price that I got them in for, and then I'm going to go ahead and unbox them. We're going to set them up. I'm going to try them on the watch itself, and then we're going to begin the review process. So let me show y'all the price. Okay, so I got these on Black Friday sale, and you can see these are the two, and here's the price. So that's for the first one, and that's for the second one right there. And then after taxes, this is what I paid right here. So these two watch bands cost me just under $10 for both of them. Okay, you can see it right there. Alright, now let's unbox them. Let's see if we can set them up. Let's see if we can get them to work. Let's see if they are indeed compatible with the CMF Watch Pro. Alright, so first things first, the first thing I want to do is take off the stock watch bands that came with the CMF Watch Pro. And to do this, you want to hit these quick release buckles here in the back. So you gotta have like a long fingernail, or you may want like a knife, but you want to come in and you want to hit these quick release buttons right here. So there's one on this side right there, and then there's one on this side right there. So let me take these off and I'll be right back. Okay, see y'all in a second. Here we go. A couple minutes later, I got the stock watch bands off, and here is the main watch unit for the CMF Watch Pro itself, right here. Now, quick pro tip, especially if you're someone that has fat fingers like myself, it's kind of hard to get your fingernails in here to hit these quick release pins, right? So what you may want to get is something with a flat edge that you can get in between here and press it down. So all I did was take my sim removal tool, and you put it in here and you press it down just like that, and then you can slide it out, right? You can literally do this with one finger, but you may need a flat edge to do that. Alright, so that's how I got the original watch bands off. Okay, same thing for when you're putting them on. If you can't catch it with your fingernail, get you something with a flat edge. Like I used the sim removal tool, and that's how I did that. Okay, so now let's unbox the two other watch bands, and then I'm gonna set them up and try them on and give y'all my first impressions. So let's go. Okay. So they really didn't have a lot of packaging to them. You can see they both pretty much came in like these Ziploc style bags here. So you just pop them open. Then you slide down the main bits. Okay, so let's go. Okay. Alright, and you see, they come with their own quick release pins. So you're going to have to put these quick release pins into the new watch bands. Alright, so let's get one. Okay, here's the first watch band here. And this one I thought was pretty cool because this has a magnetic latch. Alright, so you just open it up and it's magnetic and it latches on. So I thought that was pretty cool. So you're going to put your quick release pins into each edge, and you can see there's the slot for one right there. That's where one goes, and then the other one would go right here. Let me get this magnet off. Alright. And it goes on the other side. Right? So one goes on one side, one goes on the other side, and then you loop it around your wrist and it magnetically attaches. Right? Okay. And there's the hole for the other end. So there goes the other end hole right there. Boom. So that's where you put your quick release pins, one on each side. So we're going to try that one in a second. Let's put this one down. And again, it comes with its own quick release pin, so that's nice. Let's rest this over here. And let's get the other one out. Same deal. Okay, let me do this one off camera here real quickly. Alright, y'all, and now we are back. So I just finished getting the LOK grade band installed, and you can see it actually fits. Now this one is magnetic, so when I want to loosen it, I just loosen up this magnetic bit and I loosen it to whatever size I want, and then when I'm ready, we lock it back in and it's on. Now I have to tell y'all, this does fit perfectly, right? And you can see right there what time it is. But this one was actually really difficult to get on, right? If I'm being 100% honest, it was extremely difficult to get the quick release straps onto the band itself. And I did scratch up the inner housing where the quick release clips go a little bit, and I was going to demo both of them because I also have this nylon strap here, but man, that first one took entirely too long, and I'm not sure how much I want to fight with this second one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rock this first one, the LOK grade band. I'm going to rock it for about a week, and I'm going to come back and tell you guys and gals what I think, and then we're going to go through the hassle of swapping out to the next one, okay, the AVOD band, and I'm going to let you guys and gals know what I think. Now, first impressions after having the watch on with the new band, I do have to say I do like this magnetic band here a lot better than the traditional band, right? Because this one you have to fight with the straps, you have to fight with the buckles, whereas when you have a magnetic band, you don't have to fight with anything. When you're ready to take it off, you just open this up, you loosen it all the way. Alright, so we loosen it to like right here, then you slide it off. When you're ready to put it back on, you loosen it up again, put your wrist in, you get it on the way you want, and then you magnetize it down and it's on. Then you readjust it so it's nice and comfortable and you're good to go, right? So you can get a nice snug fit or you can get a nice loose fit, however you want it, and it's fully magnetic, right? And I kind of messed up my fit there. So I kind of like that. You get that nice fit however you want it to be, and then it's easy to loosen up and take off. Now, the thing that I like about this second one is that this is all Velcro. And this is actually a better material. This is like an aluminum metal material. This is like a Velcro / nylon material. So I'm going to rock this first one, the LOK grade band, for about a week. Come back and give y'all the full review on this. And then we're going to switch to this one right here, the AVOD band. Okay? And I'm going to use that for about a week and come back and let y'all know how I feel about this one. Now, I can indeed verify that both of these are going to work because it's the same quick release 22mm quick release straps that's on the stock band. And it comes with its own lugs. Each band comes with its own lugs. Or if you're feeling brave enough, you can get the OEM lug out of here and put it onto the new band. But why do that when you could just pop these off, put in the new lugs into the new band and be good to go? So that being said, I think I'm really going to enjoy this first magnetic band here. And I think I'm going to be able to get that nice fit that I always wanted on here. Let me make it nice and snug because I like that nice and snug fit. Boom. And this is exactly how I want it. Now, it's nice and snug and it's not going to slide around and it doesn't get uncomfortable either, right? Because with the stock bands, even though I can get it nice and snug, after a while it does get uncomfortable with that snug fit. But with this magnetic band, that material is nice and snug and it doesn't get uncomfortable either. Alright? So, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. I'll have all the affiliated links as to where you can pick up both of these bands down below. And I will see you guys and gals in the next video.